Master the phrasal verb, come in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about a very common phrasal verb that you've probably heard a lot, but may not fully understand yet. Yes, I'm talking about the phrase, come in. As always, our goal here is to help you feel confident and fluent in using English in your everyday life. So, let's dive in. Come in is a phrasal verb that is often used in English. It has various meanings based on the context it is used in. The most common usage of come in is to enter a room or building. For example, if you knock on a door, someone might say, come in, to invite you inside. Example, it's cold outside. Come in and warm up. Another common meaning is to be useful or relevant in a particular situation. Example, this is where your computer skills could come in handy. It's important to understand how to correctly use come in a sentence. The structure is typically subject plus come in plus optional prepositional phrase. Note: the object related to the action, like the place someone is entering, or the situation where something becomes useful, often comes after the phrase, come in. However, sometimes this object can be omitted if it's clear from context. Example, you look exhausted. Come in and have a seat. The place being entered, presumably a room or a house, isn't specifically mentioned because it's clear from context. Now that we understand the meanings and usage of come in, let's get some practice. Try to create your own sentences using come in. Here are some prompts to help you. 1. Invite a friend to come into your house. 2. Describe a situation where your special skill could come in handy. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing and using the new vocabulary in different contexts. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrasal verb, come in. We hope that you found this lesson helpful and that you're feeling a bit more comfortable with using come in. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to incorporate come in into your everyday English. Thank you for joining us today. Happy learning and see you in our next video.